Now to a new legal showdown between the Biden administration and the state of Texas over the new abortion law you've heard all about. This afternoon, U.S. Justice Department announcing that it is suing the state, calling the Fetal Heartbeat Act unconstitutional. Political reporter Jack Fink with reaction from U.S. Senator John Cornyn, as well as other leaders.
The Department of Justice has a duty to defend the Constitution of the United States.
U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland called the new Texas Fetal Heartbeat Act unconstitutional, and he announced he's taking the state to court. The new law prohibits doctors from performing abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected, which can be as early as 6 weeks, when many women don't realize they are pregnant. What's different about the new law is that it doesn't allow government entities to enforce it. Instead, private citizens can, by filing civil lawsuits against abortion providers and others who can be fined $10,000 per abortion if they lose.
Nor need one think long or hard to realize the damage that would be done to our society if states were allowed to implement laws that empower any private individual to infringe on another's constitutionally protected rights in this way.
In Dallas today, U.S. Senator John Cornyn predicted it'll be up to the Supreme Court.
My suspicion is that they will be the final word and not the Texas legislature on what the law is in this very controversial area.
Governor Greg Abbott's press secretary said in a statement, Texas passed a law that ensures that the life of every child with a heartbeat will be spared from the ravages of abortion. We are confident that the courts will uphold and protect that right to life. Democratic Congressman Mark Vesey of Fort Worth said in a statement, Congress must also work alongside the administration to quickly pass federal legislation to protect reproductive rights and the right to vote. The most crucial point is that these blatant attacks on our freedoms cannot deter us. The senator was also asked if he supports the new Texas law, but he wouldn't give his opinion on it.
I'm not a member of the Texas legislature. I am unapologetically pro-life.
Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.